If you are a video editor or a content creator and you don't know how to use AI in your workflow, you're in the right place. In this video, I will show you how you can create videos with Seedance 2.0's AI video generator using the xmk.com's website. You will find this link in the description. So let's get started. So now, if we see the overview of this website, this is the home section, and then we have few models right here. If we move to the AI video section, we have Seedance 2.0, the newly launched, and if you can see, you can find all the other video generation platforms as well. And if we move in AI image, we have GT Image 2, the newly launched one, and then we have Nano Banana Pro and Nano Banana 2. So we can use Nano Banana inbuilt in this website to create images and later animate them to use as our to animate them as videos. So if we move to the Nano Banana section, if we see, we can also write prompts and upload image as a reference, and then in this, so we will use a chat GPT to create some prompts, and then we can simply animate it. So this is the prompt. We will use this video or image as our b-roll in that. So now if we see, our prompt is ready. Let's just copy this prompt, and then we will move right here, and in the prompt section, let's just press the prompt, and in this section, aspect ratio, we will make it 16:9, and the output format will be JPG, and the resolution I will choose on 2K, and let's just hit on generate. So the image is being generated. It won't take a lot of time. So once this is generated, we will move to the video section. So you can see the lake and everything. The image is being generated, done. So let's just hit on download button. So now this is generated. We will just move to AI video, Seedance 2.0, and in this section we have to provide the reference. So we will provide the reference with the image we only created a while back. So let's just simply hit on this plus icon, and then I will just simply open it. Now we have to write a prompt, so we will write a simple prompt, or we can use chat GPT again to write us the prompts. Now write. So we have just simple prompt. It will just simply convert it. We don't need to write anything like that. So let's just copy, or I will just make sure to copy this prompt like this again, and then move back, and in this section we will paste it. And now the model we will be choosing will be Seedance 2.2. First accept ratio will be 16:9 because we're creating a wider angle, and the reference image is also in that size. In the resolution, I will move it to 720p, and we can make it to 10 seconds. That's enough. You can move up to 15 seconds, so that's a plus in this picture. And now we have to enable fast lane as well, and then simply just hit on the generate button. So you can see the video is being generated, and the main thing I liked about this website is the time of creating videos and photos. It doesn't take a lot of time. So let me just wrap up with this, and I will show you the end result. So you can see the video is done generating. Let me just play and show you the end result. You can see a beautiful scene, a slow zoom, and in the converts. So this is how you can use, and you can use this beautiful image and the video in as a b-roll in your videos or your content creation journey. So now you can also create other videos like if we see AI image, we can go to Nano Banana 2. Let's just try something else. So if we see what we can try, if we move to the AI video section, and you can will see this content policy notice, and you can see we cannot do this AI images and everything, and AI connector or illustration. You can use that. You can also use images from Google to use as a reference to animate them, or you can use Pinterest as well, or you can just simply generate them as well. So let's just move on chat GPT, and fight. Let's just move with this, and the prompt is being generated. once this is generated, let me just copy this prompt and I will just move to Nano Banana Pro, and in this section give it a prompt, and in this section I will choose this one, JPG resolution 2K, or you can just simply go in 4K as well. It will just consume more credits. Now just simply hit on generate button. So you can see this is being generated, and once this is generated, let us wait for it, and if we finalize the end result, we can convert this video in, sorry, this image into video. So you can see our image is generated. Let's just hit on download, and I think this is a perfect scene if it is animated, and we cannot get at copyright options as well. So now just move on Seedance 2.0 and just image, sorry, we will provide it the image like this, and in the prompt section I will just simply give it a simple prompt, not that complex. Animate this sequence as an action scene, uh, make it cinematic like this one, and then I will choose the Seedance 2.0 model. Aspect ratio will be 16:9, resolution will be 1080, and now I will move this to 15 second because it's a fight. So, and we will enable this fast line option, and then just simply hit on generate. So you can see our video is generated. Let me just play, and you can see the anime style fight scene, the elements and everything, the swords running, and now you can see the blasts and everything. I think this is a perfect shot, and you can see the end zoom like on the character. So you can just simply hit on the download button and your video will be downloaded. And as usual, if we see our last video, we can also hit on generate and it will be downloaded like easily. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and also make sure to try xmk.com's Seedance feature. I will provide the link in the description below. So thank you all, and I will see you in the next one.